7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Are you listening?
Ricky J Sports.
What is going on, my fellow YouTubers? This is Ricky J, baby, from Ricky J Sports, and welcome to my ultimate secret video on how to score on breakaways in NHL 17. As you look at Getzlaf, what a nice little one-on-one move, and he goes in for the score. Now, the number one strategy for me when I'm going in on a breakaway is to fake it to one side and then go to the other side. But before that, I really like to move with the right analog stick left and right as fast as I can. As you see Sid the Kid right there, I'm moving and then I'm leaning to one side and then I go to the other side as quick as possible. That was really fast to explain, so let's break it down in some slow motion action. So I'm moving, stick handling with the right analog stick, and then once I get close to the goalie, I fake to one side to kind of get the goalie to move a little bit, and then you have to go as quick as possible with the right analog stick to the other side and then shoot as quick as you can. See, as I'm leaning to the left, then I go to the right and backhand to the back of the net. Let's see it right here. See, I'm stick handling, get to the hash marks right here, and then I'm thinking which side I should go to. I'm gonna go left, and then I'm gonna pull it to the right and pop it in. You gotta do it quick, but once you practice it, it's almost like it's a goal every single time. So I'm coming in, doing my stick handling really quick, go to the left, then go to the right, and bam. Here's another way of doing it to the forehand. So same concepts. I fake to the right this time, swing it back to the left, and score. You gotta be really quick with your thumb on your right hand to go from one side and to the other. And when I'm stick handling approaching the goalie, I'm just whipping it back and forth with my right thumb as fast as I can. But then this is the key right here. Lean, then go left, and shoot real fast. Because if you go slow, you'll give the goalie too much time to kind of set up and make the save. You could even do this technique in close quarters. As I'm using Getzlaf right here, I go in, lean to one side, and whoop, right into the net. I kind of had an empty net in that situation, and that was a very satisfying goal. And you know my opponent online was not happy. But it was the same technique. I didn't have enough time to do the quick stick handles, but I did have enough time to lean to one and then go to the other side as fast as I can. And the quicker you do it, the more net that you have to shoot on. And I had an empty net right there. So here's another situation. I'm coming in close quarters and boom, back of the net action. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys do with respect to your breakaways. This is my number one move every single time. I feel like it works. When you're on, it works every single time, but it takes practice. As you see right there, I faked out that goalie. He thought I was going forehand. Since there was a lot of room, he was kind of baiting me to go forehand side, and I went backhand side. Anyhow, people, hopefully this tip has helped you guys. Let me know in the comment section below, and let us know your tips on breakaways in NHL 17. All right, baby, this is Ricky J, baby, from Ricky J Sports,
And you are awesome.